Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is a how-to on making your own custom mailers at home. In order to make these mailers, you will need a Cricut, a Silhouette, or some type of cutting machine. This is the Cricut design space on my phone, and as you can see, I'm just sizing the images. In order to get them on the Cricut design space, I took my logo, which was created by somebody, and put it in Canva and downloaded it with the transparent background. And for the social media handles and the website, I just typed those up on Canva and also downloaded those with a transparent background. And then you just upload it into Design Space. Now we let it cut. And the fun part, weeding. As you can see here, I did make a slight mistake and I was off with my measuring, so part of my logo was cut off, but luckily I had another one that I had cut and weeded from before. And basically once you weed, you just use the transfer tape and you'll transfer it onto the mailer. The mailer I have is a mailer that is, there is a box that is a 9x6x2 inside the mailer, and that's just to give it shape in order to make it easier for the video. And I did print the logo a little bit bigger. Usually I'll print it small or smaller so that it does fit under the label for the shipping label, but this works too, because then I can always just place the label on the reverse side on the back of the mailer. And that's it. There you have your custom mailer. It's smooth to the touch, and I personally haven't had any problem with lifting as long as you use permanent vinyl. Good luck!